What's the meaning of buck teeth? Buck teeth. Buck teeth.
Buck teeth. Buck teeth. Buck teeth refers to a dental condition where the front teeth protrude forward, creating a prominent and often ungainly appearance. This condition can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics and habits such as thumb sucking or tongue thrusting. Buck teeth can also lead to functional problems, such as difficulty with speech or eating. Treatment options include orthodontic braces, headgear, or in severe cases, surgery. While buck teeth may cause self-consciousness or teasing in some individuals, it is important to remember that many people with this condition lead happy and successful lives regardless of their appearance.